Look, everyone loves to talk about closing. Now, the pitch, the objections, and the grind. But let's be real. That's not the hardest part of selling. Now, the hardest part of selling is figuring out if the deal is even real before you waste your time, your pipeline, or even your sanity. Look, I have been there. So we get the meeting that we want. They smile, they nod, they ask all the right questions, but really, these people, they're only gathering the information and you're educating them for free with zero intent to buy. Now, look, this happens every day. It is part of the game. It's not a real deal. I mean, it's no biggie. But for the smart sellers, they know how to flip that. If you're going to give away that knowledge anyway, by all means, but make sure it costs them something. A next step, it could be a deeper commitment, a second meeting with a real decision maker. By doing so, you're just not going to hand over that free strategy and walk away empty-handed. And that is how we filter fast. You see, if they're serious and in that essence, or if you're just another name on their research list, and at some point after doing that over and over again, you're going to spot this a mile away. You stop getting frustrated. You see it for what it is. It is part of the process. And when you know that, you filter it, you move on. There's no emotion and there's no wasted time. You see, spotting a real deal, it always comes down to 3 brutal filters. And that's what I've always been using. And number 1, if it's all smooth, it's all polite, it's all smile, then you're probably the entertainment. Now, real buying feels awkward. It feels risky, and that's a good sign. Second, real deals have internal pressure. If they can't explain what is broken and what's forcing them to change, there is no deal. It's just curiosity. It's just a matter of conversation, and there is simply no deal. Third, they are messy. They are politics. They are power gaps. They are uncertainty. And if it feels complicated, then that's how buying actually works. So now, how does AI fit into all of this? So let's be blunt. AI doesn't close any deals. It does help sharpen your thinking. It does spot the real deals. You know what? That's your instinct. You can run the discovery question. You can test your deal strategy. You can pressure test how you handle those power gaps, macro gaps, or even speed up those processes with AI. But that is one thing. You can't do it. If you can't tell the difference between a real deal and a polite, empty conversation, AI is just going to make it a lot faster for you to chase the wrong ones. So look, I've been doing real deals forever. The difference is it wasn't about grinding harder. It was all about filtering faster and spotting the ghost a lot earlier and walk away. And AI, it helps us speed that up. But it does not replace that work and the instinct that we have. So if you're tired of fake pipelines or fake forecasts or overhyped AI nonsense, stick around. So this is where we talk real sales, the unfiltered version. No theory, no fluff, no shortcuts. So let's subscribe or keep chasing the ghost. Your call.